let's get started. The page I have for the kind of at level, at standard, is this page right here. I'm going to use this one for extra practice, and this one for challenge work, and I'll explain those each in a separate video. Okay, on this page, what I have are sets, remember that word, sets of counters, and the counters are teddy bear counters. I think most people have those in their classrooms. You might have used them already and just playing in choice time or so, but they are actually a math tool. And so what I have are teddy bear counters in jars, with the plus symbol in the middle already there. We're going to count them and then write a number sentence below each of the boxes. This is our work for today. There's A, B, C, D, 4 different places to go. And the work we'll be doing when I come back to our strategy list is to do the touch math. And that's to actually tap and touch them as you're counting them. I have 2 tools ready. Pencil, crayon, marker, but I hope that you'd have a purple in there to help with the math symbols. Okay, so this first jar has this many. When you know how many that is, please show me with fingers. Okay, that's the number 1. Let's write the numeral right underneath that jar. I'm going to do that right here. I'm going to write that right underneath to just help us keep track of what we are counting. I'm going to write that right here, number 1. I do like using purple for the math symbol, and since we know we are adding, we're finding out how many bears in this jar plus how many bears in this jar equals how many altogether. So I'm going to make a purple math symbol right there. Just a small sideways X like that, not very big. And I'm going to count the bears in this jar. 1, 2. Did you count that many also? And then let's write that numeral underneath here. We have almost our math sentence finished. 1 plus 2. There's another math symbol that you need, and that's the equal sign. Equal sign is 2 short lines parallel right on top of each other like that. They're not very long. Then what we do is we count up all of them together through the numerals or through the bears. And I'm going to work on just the bears right now. So I'm going to count 1. Now I'm going to count on 2, 3. And that makes 3 bears. I'm going to write that numeral back with my pencil, or in this case my black marker, right after that. And that says now, please read it with me, 1 plus 2 equals 3. If you have that, please put a check in the air. Good. We're off to a good solid start. Let's take a look at the next jar over here in the B box. The first jar I'm going to tap and count with my fingers. 1. Did you count 3? Let's write that numeral right here. 3. 3 bears in this jar, plus, because we're adding together, I'm going to make my purple symbol in between the 2 jars. 3 plus, let's count how many are in this jar. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 in this jar, 3 in this jar. That's the same numeral. Let's write the number 3 underneath this jaw. We have our number sentence started. 3 plus 3, and we need the math symbol of equals. 2 short lines. And if you know the numeral that makes 3 plus 3, comes over here, you can put that in your brain. Remember, mathematicians check their work twice. So think it twice, or check in the counting here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that's the number you got, put a check in the air, and let's put a 6 over here. Okay, let's read that numeral sentence. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, let's check the next box. Number 6. Ooh, let's get one of those 0 ones like we heard before. 0, clearo. Let's count how many bears are in this jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we count that again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you counted 5, put a check in the air, and let's write that numeral over here. Straight back, big belly, flat hat. And we know we're doing addition because we're adding these amounts together. Purple plus symbol in the middle. And then let's count here. Let's count twice. Okay, I think I see how many are in there. And I see, right, number 0. Write the number 0. 5 plus 0. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5 plus 0, math symbol. 5 plus 0 equals, yeah, it's still 5 because we did not add any more to that. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Last one. Oh, there's quite a few here. Let's count the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting it again. Show them with fingers how many you got. 4. Let's put 4 over here. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And then let's put a plus right over here because we're adding it together. And then let's count how many are in the second jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check it again. 5. Right? Let's put that over here. Straight back, big belly, flat hat. And we know we're adding, so we're going to need to put an equal sign there. 4 plus 5 equals, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. I know there's 4, so I'm going to add on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's put a 9 right here. And let's read that. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And that's what addition is. That's the kind of work we're going to be doing. We'll continue to add on to other chances to practice this. There's a few more worksheets like this level to work on, and then you can continue with those. If you'd like a little bit of more practice, I'm going to use this sheet in the next video.